Scorpio, hi there. Nice to see you guys again. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Padavilla. Let's do your reading for the month of August 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. And Scorpio, in the month of August, during the pre-shuffle, you got World card. So I can sense that you want to connect with nature in the month of August. You want to go outside, travel a little, even though it is not far distances. You want to travel few to nearby destinations and connect with nature and get some nice energy reach to you. This is the feeling you have in the month of August. Alright, let's see what we have in the month of August for you. Yeah, it relates. 3 of Wands. Dreams, looking around. You can see in the Rider-Waite he holds the globe, which is nothing but the World card which I showed. He holds the globe in his hand, he holds a stick in his left hand, and he looks at the either left or right, vice versa, it can be anything. One hand he holds the globe, which is the World card which I showed, in the 3 of Wands in Rider-Waite, and another one was stick in the other hand. He just looks straight at the mountains, at the view. It can be any view. So the meaning is he wants to connect with the nature, receive its energy, the energy from the World card. He wants to connect. 3 of Wands is definitely simply that. You're dreaming, you're desiring to go outside. You feel like you're stuck. This is also feeling claustrophobic. And you're thinking that outside is more colorful. And this is very dark being inside. And definitely guys, in the month of August, you have to definitely at least go at your balcony, get some sunshine reach to your skin. This is definitely required. And due to this pandemic situation and the COVID-19 which is going on all across the world, which you got World card, it is definitely impacting everyone around here. And not receiving the energy from the sun will definitely destroy us as a human being, and all the cells in our body will get destroyed if we don't get the sunlight. And sun is the he is the god to take care of our health. Sun is the one. That's the reason during the solar eclipse, after the solar eclipse period is done, we have to clean, because during that time lot many germs will grow. Okay, so sunlight is definitely required, okay, for our cells in the body. And sunlight is also a very significator to make us human being so spiritual and connect with the spiritual side. And due to the pollution what we caused, there's so much of clouds covering the sun, a lot of shadows which are casted in the ground. We are not able to receive the sunlight. Okay, and during the sunset only they say you have to connect with the sun, because when it comes to the Libra, 6 o'clock, 6 to 7, it outcasts the shadow most of the times, and it will reach to your skin very efficiently. Now 4 of Cups is the next card. Now 3 is becoming 4, so you're definitely planning and working on that from the element side. But this is Cups energy. Definitely you want someone else also to come to you, along with you. Maybe you're scared to go outside at this time, but at least if there is a balcony available in your home, take a space and time to go there and get some sunshine, which is definitely required. You can see this mouse is down in the darkness, and this is the sunlight. So it's in the dark. There is a sunlight over here which it can reach, and it wants to reach, but it's stuck in the dark. As I said, few cards have fallen down. I'm not sure why. There is Daughter of Cups. Maybe, yeah, Daughter of Cups is a person, physical person, because it's a court card. Daughter, Sun and King, Queen, these are court cards, and it represents a specific person in your life. And this is also Cups energy, Four of Cups and Daughter of Cups. As I said, you definitely want to have other people to, give a helping hand. But I can say, because cards have fallen down, they might actually not be much comfortable. So don't force anyone to, come outside along with you. I'm not sure, maybe that's some message I'm getting for few of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? Because this is all general readings. If it doesn't resonate, maybe it is for someone else, okay? Now, Mother of Swords is next card, which is again a specific person in your life. Your mom wants to communicate with you. If you're not in contact with your mom in the month of August and communicating efficiently, she definitely wants to communicate with you, wants to connect with you and share few ideas and thoughts, definitely thoughts regarding you, okay? Because Four of Cups, okay? Maybe you were scared to share something and she could notice that you're scared and not being open. Now, Mother of Swords doesn't take any action. It'll just notice. Mother of Swords, it is aware. So your mom is aware of you and your emotions, because Cups energy, Four of Cups, but she will not respond. But she's definitely waiting, okay? You can definitely see few signs of noticing from your mom's side, but you can see she doesn't take any action, which is Hangman. Delay. Maybe Mother of Swords next to Hangman, definitely either you or your mom in this case, is thinking very deeply and seeing things in a different perspective, of course. And it is thinking that it needs a lot more information before, saying a word or speaking and connecting with you. So your mom definitely wants to get to know more information regarding you, Four of Cups, so that, after getting few information which is known, then maybe she will take the leap, because Hangman is definitely delay. She's delaying, okay? It can be you or other person. This Hangman, you or your mom. World card, which is another major arcana. I told you it was in the bottom of the deck. Yeah, definitely. Maybe it might happen that you will connect with some or the other person in your family and go outside, get some sunshine. It may not be far, but it may be in your home only, because World card, definitely connecting with nature. After Hangman, definitely you will fly for sure, but it will be a delay. Definitely there'll be a delay. Yeah, victory. Seven of Wands, definitely victory. You'll achieve it. You'll be very happy. Others may not be happy, but you are happy, which is good, not bad. But don't force other people to come to you. They may be uncomfortable. That is definitely, I can see that. But don't do alone either, okay? Yeah, balance. You'll feel balanced again. Justice. You feel like justice is received. You will definitely achieve your victory, and you feel like you have achieved the justice. Victory. The balance also, Libra, justice. You feel much balanced, for sure. It is definitely you. Justice and Seven of Wands. Mother of Wands. Wow, this is very very interesting, Scorpio. You got Mother of Swords and below Mother of Wands. So your mom took time to analyze what is going on, because You, at that starting of the time, you're not sharing your, whatever emotions you have, but she took time to analyze the situation, and she took this hangman energy. I can see this hangman is definitely your mom. Your mom definitely took time. There was a delay for sure, but she was very clever to take her time to analyze things and get a lot more information. And then she closed with the world card, and then world card, it continues with your energy also, because it was her influence also from the world. You guys share the world card by 50%. Victory, 7 of Wands. You may do it alone, or people might be unhappy, but you are very, very happy for sure. Justice, you will receive the justice for sure. You feel balanced, and your mom also, she likes to take care of you. Mother of Wands, she wants the best of you. So your mom is definitely a significant role in the month of August. It might be anything, as I just told in the reading. It may not resonate for everyone. Okay, take how it resonates, and if it doesn't resonate, leave the rest. It may not be, for you in this case, because it's a general reading. But I can assure you, if your ascendant first house is Scorpio, it will definitely resonate. But if in case if it doesn't resonate, then you can definitely leave it to the rest. Son of Swords. Okay, very interesting. You might be having siblings also, because you got Daughter of Cups, which was fallen in the ground. No, Son of Swords you got, which are, you might be having siblings, son and daughter. And you got mother, these energies are there. You might be a smaller one or bigger one, either ways. Or if you're small, you're definitely mature than the other sibling. Son of Swords, for a few of you. Maybe now you'll communicate with your mom. First you're very scared of communicating things. Now you analyzed and got to know that your mom is very caring. Now you will go to her and say thank you and communicate very effectively. Okay. Not bad. This is the energy in the month of August. Very calm and calm energy. Definitely very, very calm. And definitely everyone has to connect with this energy. It's very calm and very childlike, which is definitely required. Son of Pentacles, which is wow. Son of Swords is definitely fast moving, and another son you got. Yeah, definitely you might be having siblings. Son and son, you got 2 sons. There's no gender specific. It might be sisters also, but definitely it has to do with the same gender. If you're a woman or a girl, if you're a female, then the other person also, the sibling, will be a female. If you're a male, then most of the time your sibling also will be a female, is what I'm seeing. Yeah, someone is definitely very, very knowledgeable. Son of Swords, it might be you, and the other person might be rooted, very, very rooted. Son of Pentacles, even your sibling might come with you, along with you, for sure, or just communicate with you about the situation. It can be the ways. 10 of Cups, yeah, family. So in the month of August, it's all about family members, connecting with family, and planning what to do, what is best for you. And this month is definitely significant in the month of August, because if we have to do something, we have to do it today. We have to do it right now. The power of doing it right now and doing it today, it's very much required in order to move forward, and it's for our own benefit and our growth in life, because we have to experience many things, We have to, if you have a sensation I have to do it right now, it's best you do it right now. Okay, but definitely take care, Scorpio, whatever you're doing. And 10 of Cups is family, feeling the emotions within each other around your family deep inside. Bottom of the deck is definitely very good. Everyone in your family will be happy this month, August, and you might be the reason for that. Okay, it's very nice to end the reading, guys. Scorpio, the last zodiac sign. And thank you guys for watching till the end. And if you have any doubts or queries, you can comment down below. I'll be very happy to reply for you guys. And if you need more clarity, you can watch it, but again for the second time, you're free to do that. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, click on the bell icon to get notified, never miss a video. And next video will definitely be a special video, and it's regarding the series Uncovering the Universe. Another video will be added up for the playlist. If you haven't checked out the series, you can check out in the annotations over there, or you can click on this box, it will take you over there. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next video, the Uncovering the Secrets of the Universe. Thank you, Scorpio.